lesson, we will introduce the 8 extra meridians. The 8 extra meridians are Gardner, Conception, Thoroughfare, Belt, In-link, Young-link, In-hill, Young-hill meridians. The 8 extra meridians are different from the 12 regular meridians. None of them pertains to Zangfu organs. They are not exterior-interior related. Their cores are unit, hence they are called extra meridians. The Gardner vessel runs posteriorly along the interior of the spine column and reaches the head. The Gardner vessel meets all the young meridians, thus it called C of the young meridians. Its function is to garner qi of all the young meridians. This is the Gardner meridians. It's the C of the young meridians. The Conception meridians. The Conception vessel goes along the interior of abdomen, pass through trach and enter the infraorbital regions. The Conception vessel meets all the yin meridians. That is called the C of the yin meridians. Its function is to receive and bear qi of the yin meridians. The Thoroughfare meridians we call Chong meridians. The Thoroughfare vessel runs parallel to the kidney meridian and curls around the lips. The Thoroughfare vessel meets the Conception vessel, the Gardner vessel, and the stomach meridian and kidney meridian. So it termed C of the 12 regular meridians, or C of blood. Its function is to reserve qi and blood of the 12 regular meridians. Belt meridians we call the Dai meridians. The belt vessels originate below the hypochondriac region and rise around the waist like a belt. The belt vessel performs the function of binding up all the meridians of food on trunk. The in-link vessel starts from the medial aspect of the leg, ascends along the medial aspect of the tall abdomen, reaches throat, and communicates with the Conception vessel. The in-link vessel is connected with all the yin meridians and dominates the interior of the whole body. The young-link vessel emerges from the external malleolus, ascends along the external side of legs, then reaches the back of the neck, where it communicates with the Gardner vessel. The young-link vessel is connected with all young meridians and dominates the exterior of the whole body. The in-heel vessel starts from the middle side of the heel and ascends along the kidney meridian. It reaches the inner coccyx and communicates with the young heel vessel. The young heel vessel starts from the lateral side of the heel and ascends along the bladder meridians, and then it enters inner coccyx and communicates with the in-heel vessel. It runs upward along the bladder meridian to the forehead and reaches the back of the neck, where it meets the gallbladder meridians. The yin-heel and the yang-heel vessels dominate the yang activity and the yin calmness, and control the movements of lower lips and sleep. This is the 15 collaterals. The 15 collaterals include 12 collaterals which branch out from the 12 regular meridians, and the collaterals of Ren, the Gardner vessels, and the major collateral of the spleen. Among the collaterals of whole body, the 15 collaterals are larger. Superficial collaterals are those that's distributed on the superface of the body, and the smallest branches of the collaterals are called minute collaterals. They are innumerable and distributed all the body. The collaterals of the 12 meridians strengthen the relation of yin and yang and interior and exterior meridians. Now the 12 divergent meridians. The 12 divergent meridians are the branches that derive from, enter, leave, and join the 12 regular meridians, which in turn reach deeper parts of the body through these branches. The 12 divergent meridians strengthen the connections between Zang and Fu by distribution of branches out from the 12 regular meridians. They bring the 12 meridians and all parts of the body closer and extend the scope of indications of acupuncture. The 12 meridian sinews. The 12 meridian sinews are the conduits which distribute qi of the 12 regular meridians to muscle, tendons, and joints. They are external connecting regions of the 12 regular meridians. The 12 cardinal regions. The 12 cardinal regions refers to the body superficies on which functions of the 12 regular meridians are reflected, and the sites where qi of the collaterals spread. The cardinal regions are within the dominance of the 12 regular meridians, since the cardinal regions are the most superficial part of body tissue. We will talk about 表本根节气 serophile and 4 Cs. 表 and 本 means the root and branches of meridian. 表 means the branch of the tree, refers meridians in hand and trunk. 本 means the root of the tree, refers to meridians in leaves. 根 and 节 根 and 节 mean the position of starting and ending of a meridian. The leaves was regarded as 根 and head, chest, and abdomen as 节. The qi serophile, meridian qi streak, refers to the common passage through which the meridian qi circulates. There are 4 Cs in the body: C of medulla, brain; C of qi, 膻中; C of green and water, stomach; C of 12 meridians, or C of blood, serophile meridian. Let's talk about the clinical application of the theory of meridians. First, explaining the pathological changes, and second, guiding the clinical diagnosis. As each meridian or collaterals has its own special curse and specific Zang or Fu organs to which it pertains. This order of Zang or Fu organs will be reflected along the course of a meridian. Taking this into account can be the basis of clinical diagnosis. Doctors can diagnose disease according to reactive changes along the course of meridian, such as sensitive tenderness. Now the third, guiding the acupuncture treatment. The selection of points along the course of meridians is the basic principle. It refers to selection points from the affected meridian or from the meridian pertaining affect Zang or Fu organs. This is a general introduction to the theory of meridians and collaterals. That's all. Thank you for your listening. Bye.